Wait, it's Vlogmas. Jingle bells. Hello. It's Vlogmas? Hey y'all, so we're pretty much getting ready to head to Andre's school because he actually gonna be in a concert tonight. And he's excited. He's supposed to be here at 4:30. Before 4:30. Guess what time it is? 4:33. So yeah, we're running late. But it don't start until 5 o'clock though, but they want a performance and everybody there a little early. And I gotta fix your clothes in the back. Like, seriously. So we'll talk to y'all once we get inside. Jasmine. Jasmine having memories because she came to this school too. Matter of fact, fun fact, all three of the kids went to this school, even Willie. Yeah, Willie be 21 this year. Let's see. What grade Andre in? First grade? So first grade up there, but what would they be singing? Right here. Okay. First graders, they singing Golden Ribbon and Silver Bowls. He had it backwards. He talking about silver bowls and golden ribbon. Okay then, that's the same thing. It's the same thing. What they about to say, y'all. Yeah, they about to start. Yay! My baby in a concert.
That resembles the bells of the holiday, and their voices will turn into those bells. This is Ding Dong Ding.
Ding dong ding, ding dong ding dong, ding dong ding.
All right, y'all, they coming first. With a kindergarten, first and second grade about to get on the stage.
While the students are
Where's my
stage,
baby?
I would like to make, if you're interested in that, please keep yourself updated and we will update you on that as well.
Oh Lord, they ain't no good. They ain't no good then, because him and Noah be together. Oh Lord, he talking about that little boy all the time. Look, he looking. Andre! Look how he looking. Andre!
Making our Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la la la. 7 days of celebration, the Sala. 7 days of celebration.
Trying to smile.
Here's what will happen next. This is the fun part. What we're going to do is instead of having them go somewhere else, we're going to have them come to you. If they're your kid, please stand up. Because we're going to send them, yes, thank you for turning lights. So, first row, if you see mom or dad or brother or sister or family, you may walk to them first row. Thank you for being patient with us. If you can't find
Hey, mama, baby, say excuse me.
final row.
Hey there, a superstar. Oh, you're a superstar. We see you over there with Noah.
Wait, talk about Noah.
We saw Noah, you and over you.
No, his name is Jabron, not Noah.
Well, who is Noah?
His last name is Noah.
Oh, his last name is Noah. Oh,
Bye, Jabron.
oh, we can go now?
Bye, Jabron.
Can we go?
Bye.
We can go too?
Yeah.
Oh, we can go, Jamie. All right, Queens and Kings. So we're back home now. We actually been home for some time now. I just got to recording the night vision of the home tour for Christmas. We're giving you guys a detailed tour, and that is basically at this moment now, or why I did things the way that I did it, and you know, things like that, you know, because I know we do have some new Queens and Kings here, so just try to give you guys a quick rundown like what things are from. Not too much. We ain't gonna do this long because I ain't trying to make this that type of tour. So welcome to my humble abode, and I love the way that she looks. All right, Queens and Kings, so we're gonna talk about the elephant in the room, and that is the living room area. I love the setup of it. I really do. So I did add some things in here. A whole lot of it's pretty much like a showroom pretty much at this point here. So I did add my 2 end tables from my bedroom, which is my mirror side tables. I add those, and I flip the couch, or flop it around, however you want to say it, from this section to move it over there, which was the reason why I did Andre room his TV the way that I did it, because I knew I wanted to put the couch here. I don't know, do you guys remember me basically stating that there's another way I wanted to do the living room, but I was gonna wait till after New Year's to do it or whatever. I couldn't wait because everything just seemed like it was so claustrophobic. Like it started just pile up on each other, and it was like, ugh. And you guys know I love to change things because I get very bored quick with a certain look and a style, so therefore I had to change it up. But I really think this is going to stay because it's so open. It's really open, and all my furniture is pretty much in here. So yeah, so I decided to just anchor it this way, and I have the 2 chairs pretty much across from each other. Then I decided to put those ottomans there, so it have a whole lot of seating here in the front room, and I really do love it. Like I still have my little entrance area, which you guys know, the console table over here, because once again, like I said, I had the couch here. I love it. And the TV was over there. Yeah, the TV was over there, and I had the 2 chairs.
What are you done doing that? Can you
I think art, and on each side of the TV. So yeah, but this is her setup now, and like I said, I really do like it. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? It just feel like nothing but curtain just falling back there. But oh, and I also added the lamps too as well, because like I said, did I tell you guys or not? I don't know. I'm gonna be doing some changes in my master bedroom, so yeah. But I pretty much think this is how everything's gonna stay. And you see, we put the TV over here. I really do love how this look here. But what do you all think? I like it. I like it because it still gives the flow to the bedroom. I'm still able to get out of my bedroom freely with nothing in the way, not even the little ottomans there at all. Still got room to get into the kitchen. You got rooms to get to each one of the rooms now, you know. So, but I love the way how it's set up though. I really do. So like I said, I just want to give you guys a quick little rundown of the living room and everything after I showed you guys the home tour as well as the reveal of the living room. All right, Queens and Kings, so we're about to have s'mores tonight. We got our marshmallows. Big marshmallows. We actually have some frosted sugar cookies. I couldn't find no ones to bake. I was looking for some so I could put like little icing and everything on it, but I couldn't find none. So we got something else.
What we did for last Christmas, we like decorate like cookies and stuff.
I know, but I couldn't find the ones to decorate like that, which I was looking for to bake the cookies and then we decorate, you know, not the ones that's already pre-made and decorate. I wasn't looking for those, but I did see those, but I ain't wanted those because those cookies be too hard. So we got some graham crackers.
Yay.
We actually got some milk chocolate. I don't know if we're gonna have hot cocoa, we'll see. I picked up some Hershey's bars, and I also got alcohol, as well as these little shish kebab sticks. That's what I call them. All this stuff from Walmart, except for this item right here. This one right here. So I got this little portable mini fire pit from Amazon.
Oh wait, I remember you used to always have to like somewhere.
Yeah, I want to say it was like $25 for this. I don't remember, but I'll link it down below. But I seen where this lady did it on TikTok, or they had like wine and stuff. They did a date night and everything. I was like, okay, let me do a little date night with my kids. So we're pretty much gonna do the s'mores with movie night, you know, right before I pretty much have to go to work. So that's what we're about to do. So we're about to get ready to set this all up.
Woke up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend, just you and me.
What's that?
It's Vlogmas Day 10.
Vlogmas Day 10.
Excuse me. Yay, the Grinch. Who is doing it?
Spend a day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV. We can do what we want to do. Walk under the moonlight and kiss under the stars. It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way. This time I'm here to stay. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you.